my dear children. Welcome back. Have you finished reading your English story? The Flying Kites? Did you like the story? Have you studied every notes of this lesson? Okay. Now let's move on to some activities. So this is activity time. Do you like to do activities? Yes, I know you are all like activities very much. So take your textbook, English textbook. Open page number 45. You told me that you have finished reading the story and you understood the story well. Now, here you can see some pictures in this page. You have to identify the events of the story and arrange the events given in the box near these pictures. Are you all ready? Okay, I'll read the events for you. First one, Minu fed Kitty with nuts and fruits. Second one, the children were flying kites. Third one, Kitty flew above all the kites. Fourth one, Minu was happy with Kitty. Fifth one, Minu saw a little bird. Last one, Minu tossed Kitty up in the sky. Now you have to arrange them in order and write the events near the picture. Are you ready? What is the first picture about? We can see the children playing with kites. So, first one, the children are playing with kites. What about the second picture? Yes, Minu saw a little bird. So, we have to write the Minu saw a little bird. What about the third picture? Minu fed Kitty with nuts and fruits. Minu fed Kitty with nuts and fruits. What about the fourth picture? Minu tossed Kitty up in the sky. Minu tossed Kitty up in the sky. What about the fifth one? Kitty flew above all the kites. Kitty flew above all the kites. What about the last one? Yes, we can see Minu and Kitty there. So, Minu was happy with Kitty. So, my dear children, you have to write the events near the appropriate picture in your textbook. Next one, you can take page number 44 in your English textbook. Here you can see activity 5. You can see 2 columns here. I'll read the activity for you. Collect pictures of birds. Identify them and write down their names. Draw and color the bird you like the most. Describe the bird, its color, size and features. You can describe about that bird in your own words. I did one example for you. You can copy down that example into your textbook and study well. Okay. You can add more pictures of birds and their details if you want in your notebook. See, here I have pasted the picture of a peacock and I described about a peacock here. I'll read it for you. Peacock. It is a peacock. It is the national bird of India. It dances well. It has beautiful feathers. It can attract others. So, my dear children, copy down these descriptions into your textbook and draw the picture of a peacock in your textbook. If you want, you can paste the picture of a peacock if you don't know how to draw. Now let's study some contracted forms. First one, I will. The word I will can be written as I apostrophe double L. It can be read as I'll. Second one, cannot. It can be written as can't. C-A-N apostrophe T. Don't forget to put an apostrophe after N. Okay, it can be read as can't. Do not. Don't. Let us. Let's. Okay, my dear children, copy these notes into your notebook and write and study them in your rough book 5 times. Next one is fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer from the brackets. In the brackets, we can see some words. You have to choose the appropriate answer and fill the blanks. Okay, I'll read the bracket words for you. Red, friends, pecked, beautiful, bird. Now, I'll read the first sentence for you. An apple is dash in color. Second one, Riaz has a dash kite. Third one, Kitty and Minu became close dash. Fourth one, the little bird dash nuts from her hand. My dear children, write answers by choosing the correct one from the brackets and fill in the blanks suitably. After that, you can check your answers with the answer key that I am going to provide you at the end of the class. Write and study these notes in your rough book 5 times. You can copy down this note into your notebook. My dear children, study well. Write and study well. You have your monthly test coming, so study well for that test. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you all.